Oh my God. Oh, that's some good coffee. God. Hello everybody. Today we're gonna make, it's not the Martha Stewart show, how to make the best cup of coffee you've ever had in your life, period. End of story. Using the Aeropress. Boil your water. 23 grams of coffee. Baratza Encore, 23 ticks. Coffee goes in. Fellow Prismo attachment, paper filter in. Nice and tight. Coffee in, bloom. 30 seconds with 50 grams of water. Scale, tare it, 205 Fahrenheit water. Total brew time is gonna be 3 minutes. Start our timer, a little swirl. We're at 30 seconds, add the rest. Take a spoon, a little swirl. We're at 2.5 minutes. Take this cup, put it on your scale, tare it back at 0. Add 25 grams hot water. That's literally it. The greatest cup of coffee known to man and woman, to the world, to Mother Nature, to Earth. Make this. Oh, it's so good. Oh.